Okay, Gary, one other video here for crimping a socket onto a wire. Now I've got the 39029, a loose socket, and also have a stripped wire. The stripped wire is about 2/10 of an inch, just under it. And on the crimp contact on the female side, you may not see it on the video, but there's a small hole that I use as a witness hole. So when the wire is stripped just so, you can see the hole goes from dark, you can see the shiny silver come through. Take your Daniels crimper, make sure your settings are correct on the crimper and the positioner. Voila! Thanks for watching.